Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the error code 7 on your Roomba iRobot device. Now, it's a very common issue, a lot of people run into it, and I'll show you how to fix it. Now, the thing is, your Roomba will get stuck on a service or an obstacle. That happens when you start your Roomba on an uneven surface. This usually occurs when you have like a cloth in a way or a carpet in the way. Now, the thing is, how to fix it when you are on a clear surface is to check both wheels for any debris. So if your wheels are stuck, this also can happen. If your wheels are an obstruction, push the wheels up and down and shake out any loose debris that may be trapped in the wheel well. Briskly turn both wheels by hand and make sure that they move freely and that each wheel exhibits the same amount of resistance. Now, it can happen that there's any hair inside the wheels as well, so make sure that it is out of the way. If you still run into the problem, gently blow inside the wheels or get any compressed air and use it from out there. Now, if the message still persists, please reboot the robot and remove the wheel module from the robot, then place it back onto the home clean base and let the Roomba boot up, then turn it again to see if the error will persist. Now, if you still run into any issues, contact the iRobot customer care. They will try to help you out. If you still get any other questions, leave them down in the comments and I will try to do my very best to help you. But most importantly, thank you for watching, like and subscribe.